The name abalone is used to refer to about 56 species of marine snails that primarily inhabit cold coastal waters. Their flattened, spiral shells protect them from predators, and their muscular foot allows them to attach to hard surfaces. Their shells are often encrusted with small clams. Their muscular foot also allows them to move across surfaces. Their shell has a row of holes used to breathe, reproduce, and remove waste. The holes assist with breathing by allowing water to flow out after it passes through the abalone's gill chamber. Abalone use their radula to feed on different types of algae, especially kelp that drifts by. They help keep kelp forest in good condition. Abalones have separate sexes. They are broadcast spawners, releasing eggs and sperm into the water. A single large female can release millions of eggs at a time. The fertilized eggs hatch into floating larvae that feed on plankton until their shells begin to form. Then, they settle on the bottom and cling to hard surfaces. Adults vary in size by species, but red abalone, the largest species, can reach 12 inches long. Many animals like sea otters, crabs, and sea stars prey on abalone. Abalone are able to produce pearls by secreting a shell over parasites or gravel that lodge in their flesh. In California, abalone pearls were used as trade goods by natives for thousands of years. Abalone once supported huge commercial and sport fisheries. They are known as the world's most valuable shellfish. They are consumed raw and cooked. Due to overfishing and disease, today's abalone are at risk for extinction. Some species are listed as endangered. Commercial fishing for wild abalone is illegal in the US. Commercial abalone farming has become increasingly popular as wild populations have decreased. For more marine facts, click the subscribe button.